Become an innovator. We're inviting you to become the innovators the future needs. Our world is changing, and design can help. People have never been more connected, yet never more alone. Technology can shape us, make us, or break us. Possibilities feel limitless, yet our resources are reaching their limits. Creativity is one of the best tools we have for asking questions and designing the answers that will make the difference. It's easy to think that creativity is about drawing a good picture, and design is about the way something looks. But there's another story to tell. Creativity is a powerful force for change, and design is how we make things real. Innovate will show you how people all over the world, from scientists to engineers, mathematicians to artists, are harnessing their creative superpowers to answer some of the toughest social challenges on the planet. Whether that be making buildings from recycled bottles, creating businesses that bring food growing closer to home, or designing neighbourhoods that encourage us to share. So let's do it. Turn your classroom into an Innovate studio. Put your heads together around some of the tricky problems in the world today and go on a creative journey to design new possibilities. The future is yours to innovate.